Diving in there.
Bobba. Ah, good. Heavy.
So tomorrow's when you dive off.
Yeah. Today, no.
Where's he dived to? Where's he gone?
Can't dive off there, man. Yeah, look, gonna jump off.
You can't do that. There's rocks at the bottom. Oh my days, he's crazy if he does that. No, I mean, where's the diver gone?
Oh, it's gone down.
Yeah, it's gone down. Actually, your bag's not gone overboard. It's alright, it's in the same place.
I'm way down for it.
Fucking hell. Look how clear blue the sea is. Mum, bet you wish you were here.